Are you tired of mediocre cooking results from your old pots and pans? Do you struggle to achieve that perfect browning on your steak or get stuck with undercooked meat in the center? For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about this Cuisinart Enameled 5QT Dutch oven. It's not just a cooking vessel, but a game changer for home cooks of all levels. I mean, who needs to worry about scrubbing away at burnt pans when you can have a beautiful, non-stick surface that makes cleanup a breeze? Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile cookware solution that'll take your meals from bland to grand, keep watching. We're about to dive into the details of this impressive Dutch oven. So let's start with the obvious. What is a Dutch oven? In simple terms, it's a type of cooking vessel that's designed for slow cooking and braising. But the Cuisinart Enameled 5QT Dutch oven takes this to a whole new level. Its thick, heat-diffusing walls ensure even heating throughout the entire process. Rehook, will this Dutch oven truly make a difference in your cooking experience? Can it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. First off, we have the heavy gauge construction that makes it durable and long-lasting. Then there's the even heat distribution mentioned earlier, which is perfect for slow cooking methods like braising or stewing. And let's not forget about the attractive enamel finish. Not only does it look great on your stovetop, but it also prevents rust and makes cleaning a piece of cake. But what really sets this Dutch oven apart from others in its class? Is it worth the investment for you? For one, its 5-quart capacity is perfect for large families or those who love to entertain. You can easily whip up a hearty stew or roast for your next dinner party with ease. Plus, its versatility knows no bounds. Use it on the stovetop, in the oven, or even under the broiler. Therefore, if you're ready to elevate your cooking game and take your meals to new heights, keep reading. We'll explore some of the pros and cons of this Dutch oven, as well as its price point. Will it fit into your budget? Here are some key specs for reference. 5-quart capacity, heavy gauge construction, even heat distribution, attractive enamel finish, versatile use in stovetop, oven, and broiler. Rehook. But don't just take our word for it. What do real users have to say about this Dutch oven? Let's see what some of the top reviewers on Amazon have to say. I was skeptical at first, but after using this Dutch oven for a few weeks, I can confidently say it's the best cookware purchase I've ever made. The non-stick surface is incredible and makes cleanup a breeze. Rachel T., my wife and I use this Dutch oven every week for our Sunday roast dinner. It's always perfect and never disappoints. Mark K. I was blown away by how easy it is to get the perfect browning on my steak with this Dutch oven. No more overcooked or undercooked meat. Sarah G. Rehook, and don't worry, we'll address some potential drawbacks of this Dutch oven later in the review. But for now, let's talk about one of its biggest selling points, the non-stick surface. This isn't just a marketing gimmick, it's a real game changer that makes cooking and cleaning easier than ever before. Therefore, if you're tired of dealing with stubborn food residue or stuck-on stains, this Dutch oven is definitely worth considering. Plus, its durable construction ensures it'll withstand the rigors of frequent use. Here are some benefits to using an enameled cast iron pot like this Cuisinart Enameled 5QT Dutch oven. Non-stick surface for easy food release. Durable construction for long-lasting performance. Even heat distribution for perfect cooking results. Versatile use in stovetop, oven, and broiler. Rehook. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to elevate your cooking game. Get your Cuisinart Enameled 5QT Dutch oven today. But don't just take our word for it. We'll be sharing some real-world test results later in the review, so keep reading to see how well this Dutch oven performs. And as a special bonus, if you purchase this product through our affiliate link in the description, not only will you get free shipping and handling, but also a 5-year warranty that covers any defects or issues with the cookware. That's right, this Dutch oven comes with a comprehensive guarantee to ensure your complete satisfaction. Therefore, what are some potential drawbacks of using an enameled cast iron pot like this Cuisinart Enameled 5QT Dutch oven? While it's generally easy to clean and maintain, there may be some issues with sticking or discoloration over time, but don't worry, we'll address these concerns later in the review. Rehook, so what do you think? Is this Dutch oven worth the investment for your kitchen? Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: non-stick surface, durable construction, even heat distribution, versatile use. Cons: sticking or discoloration possible over time. But don't worry, with proper care and maintenance, you can avoid these issues altogether. And let's be real, the benefits far outweigh any potential drawbacks. Therefore, if you're ready to take your cooking game to new heights and experience the perfect browning on every dish, this Cuisinart Enameled 5QT Dutch oven is an absolute must-have for your kitchen. For those who want to get started right away, don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best price and free shipping. Plus, enjoy a comprehensive warranty that covers any defects or issues with the cookware. Happy cooking!